Here are 2 sentences that can save your future. All right, listen closely because this next part is the most important thing you're going to hear. TV and movies have completely warped how your rights work in the real world. And that confusion is something police can and do use to their advantage. Most people think that the police have to read you your Miranda rights the second they slap on the handcuffs. That is a myth. In Texas, police only have to read you your rights before they start a custodial interrogation. This means they can arrest you, drive you to the station, and put you into a holding cell, all without ever saying a word about your right to remain silent. They are counting on you to fill that silence. They're hoping your nerves will make you start talking, trying to explain yourself, and offering up information voluntarily. Any spontaneous statement you make before they read you your rights is often fair game for the prosecution. Do not fall into this trap. You have to be the one to turn your rights on. You do it with 2 simple, powerful sentences. The first sentence is, I am invoking my right to remain silent. You have to say these words or something very close to them out loud. Just staying quiet is not enough. The Supreme Court ruled in a case called Salinas versus Texas that your silence alone can sometimes be used against you as evidence of guilt. You have to actually say the word, verbally claim your Fifth Amendment protection. Once you've said, I'm invoking my right to remain silent, your only job is to do exactly that. Be silent. Shut up. Don't answer questions about where you were, what you were doing, or who you were with. Do not try to be helpful. Do not try to explain why you're innocent. Every single word can and absolutely will be twisted and used against you. The second very important sentence you need to say is just as crucial. I want to speak to my attorney. Police may ask you, who's your attorney? You don't have to say. Just repeat, I want to speak to my attorney. This is your constitutional right to a lawyer. And just like your right to silence, you have to state it clearly. Do not be vague about it. I think I might need a lawyer. Doesn't cut it. It's not a request, it's a demand. I want my lawyer. Once you clearly ask for an attorney, police questioning is supposed to stop until your lawyer is there. Don't let them talk you out of it. They might say things like, well, if you get a lawyer, this gets a lot more complicated. Or an innocent person doesn't need a lawyer. I've actually seen comments like this. That's a tactic. Your response to every single question from that point forward is, I am remaining silent and I want to speak to my attorney. These 2 sentences are your legal shield. You have to